What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today I am going to show you how you can change the tempo of your music using Artlist AI. So let's start. So first, make sure you're logged into your account and you can go to AI Toolkit. Now from here you can go ahead and click this first button here and select music. So right off the bat, Artlist does not typically offer a real-time tempo slider for existing pre-generated tracks. Instead, you define the desired tempo as a parameter before you hit the generate button. So rule of the thumb when it comes to tempo is slow tempo is between 50 to 80 BPM, medium paced would be 80 to 110 BPM, fast pace is about 110 and 120 BPM, and very fast or intense music is at 130 to 200 BPM. So for example, you are trying to create a music for workout, you can do a prompt, for example, like this. You can say create an energetic music for gym. Okay, make it sound modern in techno genre. Then you can say make it 140 BPM. All right, so once you input this prompt, AI is going to make a fast-paced techno music for you. Alright, so after this one, you just click on generate, and if you like what was made, then you can use it on your project, and if not, you can regenerate again. Just keep in mind those numbers. Slow is 50 to 80 BPM, medium is 80 to 110 BPM, fast is 110 to 120 BPM, and very fast is 130 to 200 BPM. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time.